Today, we're going to explore the five senses. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we will learn 8 important words about this topic. Under the words, you will see green dots. These dots show the syllables in each word. He, see, see. We see things with our eyes. Hear. We hear things with our ears. Touch. We touch things with our hands. Taste. You taste things with your tongue. Smell. You smell things with your nose. Feel. You feel things with your skin. Skin. Your skin covers your body. Tongue. You taste things with your tongue. Scientists use our senses to observe the world. You can use your senses too. You see this video with your eyes. You can hear this video with your ears. You can touch the clothes you are wearing. Can you smell your room with your nose? Do you taste food when you cook? You can see colors, sizes, and shapes. You can hear a dog bark. Or a bird sing. You can feel things on your skin, like hot and cold. You can use your nose to smell flowers. You can taste ice cream with your tongue. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. What sense is this? See. What sense is this? Hear. What sense is this? Touch. What sense is this? Taste. What sense is this? Smell. What is this? Feel. What is this? Skin. What is this? Tongue.